Please subscribe to the English Web and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay notified at all times.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Web. I am Bhageshri. Now, one cannot deny that everybody enjoys their fair share of compliments, and women especially are more expressive while receiving compliments. And as a woman, I can say that I love being complimented, but at the same time, being respected is equally important for me. And nothing can do the trick better than being complimented in a way that is respectful and decent. So in today's video, I shall be talking about some things that you must keep in mind while complimenting a woman. And by that I mean complimenting a woman respectfully. So let's get started with today's video. The first tip would be remaining genuine. Yes, a woman appreciates an honest opinion more than something that is flattering and insincere. One can easily tell an insincere comment from a genuine real comment. So always mean what you say. Just make sure that whatever you say is something that a woman can associate herself with. So be genuine. Now there are various situations when you would end up complimenting a woman. It could be because of the way she's looking on a given occasion, or it could simply be how you choose to admire her beauty while you're complimenting her. Or it could also be complimenting her on some recent achievement or the work that she does, something about her that just appeals to you. But there are some things that should always remain constant every time you offer a compliment to a woman. So let's get started. The first tip that I would like to talk about is how you must always remain genuine. Yes, a woman appreciates an honest opinion more than flattering comments. So please stay away from stating something that is not real, something that you don't mean. Yes, and one can easily tell an insincere comment or a compliment from a real, genuine compliment. So stick to being genuine. The second thing that I would like to talk about is how you must avoid, comparing the woman with anybody else. Please do not do that. The reason why I say that you must avoid comparing is because we don't know what everybody is different, okay? Be it a man or a woman, everybody goes through a fair share of struggles and ups and downs to get to where he or she is, where they are. So it is very important that we don't flatter somebody at the cost of anybody else's authenticity and integrity. So let's avoid comparisons and compliment a woman for who she is. That way we can also respect all the other women out there by not comparing. The third thing that I would like to talk about is how, again, I really would like to stress the importance of this. Please avoid using words that denigrate a woman's sense of being. Words like sexy or hot do not do any good to a woman's image. They only take away from the respect that we associate with womankind. So there are many better options that you can make use of, like beautiful or maybe gorgeous, something she's ravishing. I've also done a video on how you can use better adjectives when you're wanting to say something positive about somebody. You can check that out in the link here. The fourth and the most important thing again that I feel we must do while giving a compliment is avoid exaggeration and repetitiveness. Yes, please do not sound desperate while offering a compliment. Nobody likes doing that, and it feels like it's a big turn off, especially for a woman who feels that a man is trying too hard to get her attention, and nobody likes that. Let a compliment be pure, real, something that the other person can feel good about and also feel special about. So please keep that in mind, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you all did, please do not forget to share this video. Do comment below and let me know if there's anything else that you would want to see in my upcoming videos. And yeah, subscribe to the English Web, and I shall see you guys soon. Goodbye.